Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to type full stop on keyboard. You know that to type a full stop is also known as a period on a standard computer keyboard. Look at the bottom right row of letters. This is the on-screen keyboard and this is the matching with your physical. So you will find the full stop key directly to the right of the M key and the comma key. It features a small dot symbol. Here you can see that. Simply press this key once with your finger to insert a full stop into your text, and here you can see that. You can select it, click on the home and change the font size to 16. So this way you can easily see that. So again you need to press like this one. If you want to insert dot symbol over here, you just need to press like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy, straightforward. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.